Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will going to show you guys how to change your Wi-Fi router password using your mobile phone. So you just need to follow me. So at first you need to go to your mobile settings and click on connections. Now you need to turn on Wi-Fi and after that connect to your Wi-Fi network. After connected successfully, you need to click on settings under your Wi-Fi settings, and after that click on manage router and it will open a router page. The default router login username and password you will get from router backside. In my case it is TP-Link and the username is admin, password is admin. If you are unable to find it, then you can search on Google also. If you are not getting manage router setting, then simply open your browser and type IP address of 192.168.0.1, which is default router gateway. And now you need to go to wireless settings. After that click on wireless security. Now on your right side you will get a password window. Simply type the password, your new password. And after that click on save. Now you have to reboot your router. So click on click here option. And after that click on reboot option. After reboot done, connect with your new password and you are done. So before ending this video, I would like to big thanks to all my channel members. A special shout out to everyone who regularly watches my videos and support the channel through membership. Your support truly means a lot. So if you want to support the channel too, then click on the join button and become a channel member to help me to making more helpful content like this. Thanks again for watching, and as always, I will see you on the next one.